Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Arcadia local and long distance movers near me. Searching for the best cheap Arcadia moving company means you need to find 3 Movers. Our team is the right option for your local or long distance move. When you need help moving one large item, an entire home, or even a business, we make it happen faster and more efficiently. Hiring our long distance moving crew means you get a team ready to make moving days simple for you. Convenience is what you gain when you choose to hire professionals for your long distance move. Our team will make it easy for you to move 100 miles away or even 2,500 miles across the country. We offer a loading, transportation, and unloading, along with many additional services, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, always on time and transparent pricing. When you move locally, a California moving company is a great option. Moving day gets stressful very fast. If you hire the right moving company, you'll be able to relax and let your moving crew take care of the heavy lifting. With our team, you save time and you can get settled in so much faster. Even with a local or short move, these movers offer plenty of benefits. Our team will streamline moving day and put your mind at ease. With so many moving parts, having professionals speed up the moving process is a great option. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Arcadia moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.